Learn about the different types of shapes to understand their unique forms, properties, and how they help us recognize and describe the world around us. Let's learn together. Triangle. A triangle is a shape with 3 sides and 3 corners. A musical triangle is a triangle. A slice of pizza is a triangle. Square. A square is a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 corners. A chessboard square is a square. A window pane is a square. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides with opposite sides equal and 4 corners. A door is a rectangle. A book cover is a rectangle. Diamond. A diamond is a 4-sided shape like a slanted square. A kite is a diamond. A playing card diamond is a diamond. Rhombus. A rhombus has 4 equal sides and slanted angles. A kite is a rhombus. A diamond road sign is a rhombus. Trapezoid. A trapezoid has 4 sides with 1 pair of parallel sides. A handbag flap is a trapezoid. A lampshade side is a trapezoid. Parallelogram. A parallelogram has opposite sides equal and parallel. A slanted notebook cover is a parallelogram. A diamond sign is a parallelogram. Circle. A circle is a round shape with no corners or edges. A coin is a circle. A clock face is a circle. Oval. An oval is a stretched circle that looks like an egg. An egg is an oval. A running track is an oval. Kite. A kite has 4 sides with 2 pairs of equal adjacent sides. A flying kite is a kite. A diamond craft decoration is a kite. Crescent. A crescent is a curved moon-like shape. The moon in its first quarter is a crescent. A croissant is a crescent. Arrow. An arrow is a shape with a pointed end showing direction. A road sign arrow is an arrow. A cursor on a screen is an arrow. Cross. A cross has 2 lines that meet at the center. A plus sign is a cross. A church cross is a cross. Star. A star has points radiating from the center. A sheriff's badge is a star. A Christmas topper is a star. Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. The Pentagon building is a pentagon. A soccer pattern piece is a pentagon. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. A honeycomb cell is a hexagon. A nut bolt head is a hexagon. Heptagon. A heptagon has 7 sides and 7 corners. A 50-pence coin is a heptagon. A badge design can be a heptagon. Octagon. An octagon has 8 sides and 8 corners. A stop sign is an octagon. A poker table is an octagon. Nonagon. A nonagon has 9 sides and 9 corners. A tile design can be a nonagon. A mandala pattern is a nonagon. Decagon. A decagon has 10 sides and 10 corners. Some metals are decagons. Geometric art pieces can be decagons. Heart. A heart has 2 curves on top and a point at the bottom. A Valentine card has a heart. A heart emoji is a heart. Trefoil. A trefoil is a 3-lobed shape like a clover. A club suit on cards is a trefoil. A clover leaf is a trefoil. Quatrefoil. A quatrefoil has 4 rounded lobes. A Gothic window design is a quatrefoil. A flower petal pattern is a quatrefoil. Ellipse. An ellipse is an oval-like closed curve. A stadium track is an ellipse. A planet orbit is an ellipse. Semicircle. A semicircle is half of a circle. A D-shaped window is a semicircle. A rainbow arc is a semicircle. Quarter circle. A quarter circle is 1/4 of a circle. A fan corner is a quarter circle. A pizza slice edge can be a quarter circle. Hexagram. A hexagram is a 6-pointed star. The Star of David is a hexagram. Some ornaments are hexagrams. Pentagram. A pentagram is a 5-pointed star. A magic symbol is a pentagram. A star badge is a pentagram. Zigzag. A zigzag is a line made of sharp turns in opposite directions. A lightning bolt is a zigzag. A mountain road is a zigzag. Equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides and angles. A yield sign is an equilateral triangle. A sandwich cut evenly is an equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has two equal sides. A roof gable is an isosceles triangle. A pennant flag is an isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has all sides of different lengths. A ramp support is a scalene triangle. A sailboat sail is a scalene triangle. Right triangle. A right triangle has 190 degrees angle. A builder's set square is a right triangle. A ramp is a right triangle. Acute triangle. An acute triangle has all angles less than 90 degrees. A decorative banner triangle is acute. A mountain peak shape is an acute triangle. Obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle has one angle greater than 90 degrees. A road sign triangle can be obtuse. An uneven wedge is an obtuse triangle. Triquetra. A triquetra is a three-cornered interlaced knot shape. A Celtic knot is a triquetra. Some pendants are triquetras. Sphere. A sphere is a round 3D shape. A ball is a sphere. A globe is a sphere. Cube. A cube is a 3D shape with 6 equal square faces. A dice is a cube. An ice cube is a cube. Cuboid. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. A brick is a cuboid. A cereal box is a cuboid. Rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is a 3D box shape. A book is a rectangular prism. A shoe box is a rectangular prism. Cone. A cone has a circular base and a pointed top. An ice cream cone is a cone. A party hat is a cone. Hemisphere. A hemisphere is half of a sphere. The Earth's northern hemisphere is a hemisphere. A dome is a hemisphere. Cylinder. A cylinder has 2 circular ends and 1 curved surface. A can is a cylinder. A candle is a cylinder. Pyramid. A pyramid has a polygon base and triangular sides. The Great Pyramid is a pyramid. A tent is a pyramid. Tetrahedron. A tetrahedron has 4 triangular faces. A triangular pyramid toy is a tetrahedron. A crystal shape can be a tetrahedron. Frustum. A frustum is a pyramid or cone cut parallel to its base. A lampshade is a frustum. A bucket is a frustum. Triangular prism. A triangular prism has 2 triangular ends and 3 rectangular sides. A Toblerone chocolate is a triangular prism. A tent is a triangular prism. Pentagonal prism. A pentagonal prism has 2 pentagon bases. A geometric block is a pentagonal prism. A 3D art model can be one. Parallelepiped. A parallelepiped is a 3D shape whose faces are parallelograms. A slanted box is a parallelepiped. A brick under angle can be one. Torus. A torus is a donut-shaped 3D ring. A life buoy is a torus. A rubber ring is a torus. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillien.